Hi everybody, Marieta here, founder of ImmigrationBiz, business immigration attorney. In this video, I want to give you a quick update on DV Visa Lottery 2023 registration dates, because this is frequently asked question and you guys are actually emailing me asking me about the official registration date. You are asking me about when can you register. You are asking me about official website. I do want to clarify and answer all these questions. Also, what I want to do in this video is I really want to point out towards certain websites that, in my opinion, looks like they are fraudulent websites, claiming information that are not accurate, and as a result, many of you are confused. So let's get started. Now, this is actually the official website, right? The diversity visa program. You can find more information at travel.state.gov. And when I click here, I'm just going to show you, we don't know the date yet. Okay, so always you need to go to this website, you need to actually check the dates, and once they open up the lottery this year in 2021, you will be able to actually see the actual dates. So the only way for you to submit your entry is obviously electronically, and you need to do it through the official website. This is the official website, guys, dvprogram.state.gov, okay? Now, as you can see, if you open the website right now, we are in the middle of September, you can't really register yet for DV Visa Lottery 2023. All you can see is that you can see that here you can check the status from DV Visa Lottery 2022 or DV Visa Lottery 2021. But once they open up the registration, you will be able to actually start entering the information and register yourself. Right now, we don't see it because it's not yet open. All right, so that's that. And you need to be checking the information. Always go to the official source, guys, because otherwise it's just causing a lot of confusion. So that's that. Once I know the dates, I will be making another video. I will update you and you will know everything you need to know how you actually register for DV Visa Lottery 2023. Now, this website, dvlottery.com, all right? Look at this. DV Lottery, DV 2023 online application form. Guys, this is not the official website, okay? Let me repeat. This is absolutely not the official website. Just because it's called dvlottery.com, great domain, this is not the official website. Also, look at this information. Application deadline is October 15, 2021. Here's the deal, guys. DV Visa Lottery each year opens up usually the first week of October, and it will stay open for 4 weeks. So it usually concludes in November. Last year, I believe it concluded on November 10th, 2020. I'm assuming it's going to be similar this year. Therefore, this information here is not even true. This information here is misleading. And I bet you they're charging money for it. I bet you. Because why would you actually claim that the deadline is 15th of October? Like, it's not. Like, I don't want to waste time here. But here, look at this. Payment. Do you see? Payment. I told you. So that shows you this is fraudulent information. This is fraudulent website. Do not pay anybody. DV Visa Lottery is free. You don't need to pay anybody to enter and submit your entry into DV Visa Lottery, all right? So that's definitely scam. All right, let me show you another website. Look at this one, official DV Lottery registration, all right? Yeah, right. Absolutely not. This is not official website. This is another fraud or scam, whatever you want to call it. It's asking you to register. Do not register, please, okay? Do not register. This is not the official website. Let me repeat, this is not the official website. I'm just showing you this for illustration where not to register. Take a look at this one. Oops. Take a look at this one. What's this? Let's see. It's another one. They have a different domain. It looks the same. It's not official website. Okay, So now you know, guys, that the only way for you to register is actually through the official link, which I already shared with you, okay? And keep that in mind that once I know, expected it's going to be sometime in October, first week of October. Even if you register the second week of October, you're still going to be fine. Please do have passport ready. Your passport should be valid. And read the instructions, DV visa lottery instructions. So you can just revisit, you can come here, you can read the instructions. Look at it, important fraud warning. Look at it. Look at it. Even they are advising you of fraudulent emails and letters sent to DV visa program applicants. Scammers behind these fraudulent emails and letters posting as US government in an attempt to extract payment from you guys. See? So be aware, all right? Definitely be aware. You could go over this website yourself. And again, like I said, I will absolutely update you as soon as I know the registration dates. I will post everything. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you are notified about upcoming content. I'm also launching my second channel, Bobby Colland, which is daily vlogs and my American dream stories and so on. If you are interested, subscribe. You can find the channel. It's going to be linked somewhere here. If you have any question, comments, please do leave them below. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.